Hi guys, it's Rosalie again, and I'm back with another recipe. And right now we are looking at some almond pulp. And the one that I had left over from yesterday when I made the almond milk, what I did was I used it in some smoothies and some blended drinks. And I call it Nature's Own protein powder. It's natural protein powder. And it doesn't have any artificial flavorings or colorings. It's nature's pure protein powder. And I have over here some mangoes and they're frozen mangoes and they're slightly thawed, and some cherries and like a berry mix. I got this from Trader Joe's in the frozen foods section. You can find these anywhere. And I have some water and of course some of the almond milk that I made yesterday. And it has some vanilla in it. It's really good. So what I'm going to do now is just blend this all together.